Hi, this is Daniel from Zebedee, aka Mr. Mind, and today I'm going to show you how players with malicious intents can hack your game and manipulate data in many different ways. Later, we'll be talking about how to prevent these attacks, but for now, I'm going to show you 4 different ways your game can be hacked. Be aware that this is not a tutorial on how to hack games, rather, there are many ways games can be easily hacked and many ways you, the developer, can learn how to protect them. Notice here I'm using BlueStacks, a popular Android emulator. I've also made some custom modifications so I can access hidden files directly through its interface, as well as be able to intersect proxy packages. The game we're trying to hack right now is called Flappy Sets, named new here, a clone of the famous Flappy Bird that awards sats by the end of the match based on the amount of obstacles the player went through. This game is completely unprotected at the moment. Later, we'll be adding some levels of defense, including moving sensitive data to servers, obfuscating code, and even changing the high score using server calls. Let's start with the basics. Notice how the game doesn't allow me to withdraw sats just yet. That's because the developer already attempted to create a filter to their game by setting a minimal high score before being able to draw sats to 20. Let's start by modifying our high score by using our first type of attack, Playerprefs manipulation. Playerprefs is a class that stores player preferences between game sessions. Developers use this to store everything from high score to game progression. This is by far the easiest and most common way hackers can attack your game, since it's simply about editing a text file already stored in the player's device. Notice how now the game allows me to withdraw sats because I set not only my high score to 22, but also the variables that would otherwise allow me to earn sats in the first place. All because it's stored locally in a relatively readable file.